Hello again. How you guys doing? Back on the set, right here, Papa Christos. Um, it's been a it's been a crazy week starting off, but we're here again, ready to talk about some serious stuff. Go to my channel, Papa Christos TV. Just brought a new one out. Papa speaks about pagan holiday, Samhain. You know, over here we talk about a lot of stuff about holidays, religion, Bitcoin, um, you name it, we're talking about it. Check out the videos. Numerology, Kabbalah, kidnapping, trafficking, the Big C, Defiant the Bank, California, feminism, um, definition of true meaning of woman, unbelievable tech. The list goes on and on a lot. Digital currency, and most of all, Cash App. Cash App me. Look for a $ PAPAKRISTOS. Put something in there, 500, 1,000. Just a lot of serious stuff we're talking about. You're not going to get this from an attorney or from anybody, consultant, talking about Bitcoins and everything. You're not going to get the advice that I'm giving you. So just help out, even if it's $5, send something, help a brother out. Now we're going to talk about some stuff out here. We're going to talk about some coins, because what we're seeing is that some coins are out there and you can't get a hold of it. You can't get access to it, and it's growing rapidly, like Elrond. Okay, Elrond was at, when we saw it, it was at $80. If you go look at my last video, it was at $80 right here, February 5th. February 5th, it was at $8. And now it has skyrocketed to $215 in just 3 days. And I went in there, I tried to buy it. I hit buy. It will not allow me to buy it. It does not come up on any stuff, on any coins for me to buy. Then I looked for the neighboring coin, which is Tether. It still would not let me buy, because when I went to Tether is another one. But first of all, Elrond is right here. Elrond is also the name of the character from Lord of the Rings character. Elrond, half elf, Elven, is a fictional character also, and it's also the name of this Bitcoin, Elrond. Okay, and it's if you look at it, it's from England. It's right here, England. You could get it Espanol, French, Dutch, Italiano, Romeo, Turkio, and China, but you cannot get it in the US. So this coin is skyrocketing high. You can't get it. I filled out the application and everything, only for it to tell me we do not recognize that address. It's not available in your country yet. So you have to have an address from the UK, from England, to be able to purchase the coin. And that's something that I don't have. So we're left with just watching it skyrocket high like this. By the time it's available, it's gonna be like it's gonna be like this coin over here, which nobody saw. I mean, me. So this coin just came out right here. Innovation Bio Research Classic. What is this? This coin just came out today. Really? February 9th. This coin just came out right now. Innovation Bio Research Classic. It's not supported by Coinbase. So that basically means that you can't get it. You would have to go to the website. Okay. So these coins are just blowing up. So it says, why do I see cryptocurrency that aren't supported by Coinbase? And we're looking right here. It says that the cryptocurrency not available for trade on Coinbase are viewable by Coinbase customers for purpose of education. Crypto is not available for trading on Coinbase exists for. Okay, Coinbase provides information. So this stuff's not helpful because yeah. So I mean I did not understand that because the last thing I want is to be I just saw that right now. I have not seen that coin since I've been looking at it. That just popped out of nowhere. The Tether right here just came out of nowhere, and you can't buy it. You have to go to the website, which I did. It's right here, digital money, and then you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and find out that contact us. And you come to find out that they're in Hong Kong. Tether is incorporated in Hong Kong. It's right here, Hong Kong. Tether is incorporated in Hong Kong. And I think this is the name of a car. This is a car in Asia, allegedly. So the last thing we want to see happen again is a coin. What? There's some coins coming out here that I've never heard of, I've never seen. There's a load of coins out here. Kusama. I've never even heard of this. When did this come out? It just came out right now, and you can't buy it. So these are just coins coming out. Wow. Okay, but one of the stuff that I didn't like was Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance, which you can't buy. Oh, you can. Wow. So now you could buy it, but nobody's seen it. Nobody heard of it. It just came out of nowhere. Bam. 20,000. Now it's at 35,000. You can't get into it. You can't build on it. Look at that. July of 2020, it was at 3,000. It was at what? 1,000. So I think it came out in January, and it was at 1,000. Now it's at $35,176.40. Look at it. Yeah, 1,937. So it's at $906 in July 21st. Huh. So most of these coins are not going to be available to a lot of people. Wow, there's a lot of coins coming out right now. A lot of coins that I have not seen. Monroe is one thing they were talking about. A lot of coins you're not going to be able to get into. So go check it out on your app or in your Coinbase. Basically, my portfolio has grown. Last time it was at 5,000. Now it has grown to 7,000. It was at 7,525 today. Yesterday it was at 7,437, and then Today it went to 755 and then dropped to 7,247 and going back up as we speak. So it's growing. 80% of this is my money, but 2,000 is Coinbase at its profit. Now, if you're a day trader or option trader, hey, you could make a whole lot of money, but we're competing with the banks, and we've blown the banks out of the water consistently every day. Because what's the bank going to give you? Nothing. They're going to take your money, invest it, build their skyscrapers, bring in illegal immigrants to build it. You don't get nothing back. All you get is what? A monthly charge of $12 or $34, and your savings account or that new business bank or business whatever you have $10,000 in there. They're going to give you 4%, not even 4% return, which basically comes out to what, depending on how much you have in there. It's at the end of the year, I basically only got like $200, you know, even less than that, because I was pulling money out of my savings account when things went bad, like always. So, I mean, a lot of people are leaving California. Taxes. I just did my tax return. They said that if I claim any more expenses for my business, that it's going to end up going against me and me owing money. So I basically spent close to $7,000 on my business and business expense, and I only got back 2,000. I should do my own taxes though, but I know what's going to happen with the IRS. They're going to keep on sending me back and forth before I get my money. It's going to be 2022. So I just went to my CPA. They did my tax. They charged me $500. So out of that $2,000, I only got $1,500. It's just a waste. And you know, I'm going to just put that money into Coinbase and get back my $500, you know. So that's how it's going down. But this year, stay strong, keep everything balanced, don't lose your job, don't get anybody pregnant, don't get the wifey upset, no divorce, no alimony, no no car accidents, no, keep your hands to yourself, stay strong, don't get in trouble, let the money grow, because 2019, that's what happened to me. I messed up, you know, had a little bit of some issues and had to live off my savings. Look at that. I'm not lying. You know, it's sad. This 8,566 could have been $43,000. You know, but I had to take it out. See, look at that. You just know something's wrong. Look at that. That's another. This could have been Ethereum right here, growing for me right here. I would have had, you know, some money in that, and then this is just recently right now. So it's you know, the ups and downs. And nothing was moving in 2019. 2019, this is all me. This is all me putting money in here. But I did pull out. I was pulling out 50% of my money and 50% of my gains from Coinbase. I was half and half, you know, forced commercials. And yeah, the same here too. I think this was all my money I put in and I had to take back out. And crazy enough, I made some money this year. So let's look at this. Maker has grown Maker is doing really good. Maker, wow. Maker's at $2,466. That's a lot of money right there. Man, Maker, I've never seen Maker until it was too late. I saw Maker when it was at 1,000. But the good thing about it is that Ethereum is here. Ethereum is at 1,734. It's doing really good. Look at that. It was $8 in January. No, wait. Oh, that's 2015. That's what I'm talking about. 2018, 2019. It was at 170. So, wow. In 2017, it went up to 1,365. But nobody saw it. No, it did. It was not showing. Then it dropped all the way back down to 171 in August of last year, November, January. It was at $111 in March last year. Then it went to 240, and then this year it just blew up. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Go get these coins. Go get them. Get them low. 2023, 2024, 2030, 2030. You know, you might see something. There might be something going on. Let's take a look at what this Bitcoin analysis has to say.
Bitcoin is a sort of digital gold. It's this scarce resource that governments can't mess with. Right now, central banks are printing lots and lots of money to counter the ill effects of the pandemic. And Bitcoin, people are looking to as something that is outside of that world that central bankers can't tamper with.
If that is the case, what exactly then do people look at with regard to putting a price tag on it? How much of it is out there? You mentioned the scarcity value. What's driving the pricing dynamic right now? How do people know how much they should be paying? For stocks, you can use things like discounted cash flow analysis, dividend discount models, ways to kind of forecast out and discount back future flows. It is not the case with cryptocurrencies. How then do you drive value for that?
There's a bit of alchemy involved, and people are still trying to figure that out, to be completely honest. But there are analysts at big investment banks who have started to begin to actually put their own price points on it. Analysts at JP Morgan Chase, they've said that they think the price could be $100,000 per Bitcoin in the long term, which is actually still a far way to go from where we are right now, even though it might seem like Bitcoin is so high already. And one thing that people are factoring in is, if you look at the gold market, that is a multi-trillion-dollar market, and if Bitcoin can eat into that a little bit or just grow in that same alternative asset space, it could justify itself at being a higher price.
Within the last 3 or 4 years, even here at this network, we kind of have talked to people, business owners, those people who are crypto enthusiasts, about actually using Bitcoin to transact. Is there a possibility right now that we do see a resurgence in, say, real estate developers who will take Bitcoin in payment for real estate, or a bodega owner who will then take Bitcoin for that soda or breakfast sandwich that they're going to get on the street? How exactly then does the use case drive the next?
And when they do that, what happens? How do Bitcoin go up? Bitcoin goes up through transactions. And when more people are using Bitcoins, which they are, you're going to see Bitcoin explode. All the coins, all these coins are going to blow up. All of them are going to go up so fast. You're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to see your accounts in the millions. In the millions. It is going to, a lot of people might have a heart attack, because when people start using Bitcoins, these coins are going to skyrocket. Why? Why are they going to skyrocket? I'm telling you, please help out. Cash App me, please. Don't be greedy. Give to the needy. Help out. Why? Because if you go right here and you read, right here, if you read, what does it say at the bottom? What does it say here? Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen, powers the Stellar payments. People are using coins, bitcoins, to make payments, to pay for their coffee, to pay for their clothes, to buy houses, like they just said. Payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. Africa has already jumped on it. Africa is already on it. Africa is already doing transaction with bitcoins. The UK is jumping on it right now. Euro is jumping on it. South America is pushing it. This is what it's all about. If you go to the bottom of all these Coinbase and coins, you're gonna read right there. Ethereum Classic. Let's see. We go over here to overview. What is it for? Ethereum Classic cryptocurrency with special focus on immutability, popular expressed as code is law. Okay, whatever that means. You could go to the official website and find out, do your research. Okay. What was that? I should have read it. Ethereum Classic allows uncensorable smart contracts to be written, deployed, and executed. ETC enables truly unstoppable programmable money. Okay? So, it's a way to manage digital assets without the need for intermediaries, such as banks and other institutions. That's what we're talking about. Read about it. Do your research. Try to figure out the next coin. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is over there doing its thing, looking good. What's the holding time? 36 days? 10? I think this just went up recently. Okay? I got 13 in that. I'm gonna get some more. Yeah. Gotta get some more of that. Write it down. I think it's the next one. I think 2025 for us hard gainers. But we should see a better return. I'm telling you.
Round of valuing Bitcoin?
So that's a great question. Bitcoin itself, it's got a payment system involved, but it's not very good compared to what we are used to. You know, like the Visa network, being able to just sort of spend money on a credit card. That is way cheaper, faster, simpler than the clunky and expensive system that Bitcoin is. But there has been this division in the cryptocurrency world where actually,
yeah, cryptocurrency. Now you could buy it on Coinbase. You could not buy it before. Cryptocurrency. Where's crypto at? Crypto really had some problems because they were forcing people to get crypto cards, like debit cards, credit cards, and use it. That with those transactions and more transactions, you could it would have boost up crypto, but it didn't. But people went to Apple Pay. Apple Pay could also do it. Apple Pay could make a lot of money if they joined the Coinbase and people start investing in it. Each transaction would cause that Apple Pay coin go up. So crypto was trying to do that, but as you see where crypto coin is right now, it's really down there. Yeah, it needs a lot of support. But in the meantime, do I got any crypto? Sure, let me see if I got crypto. I don't got no crypto here. thought I had crypto. Huh. I don't have no crypto though. But go get that crypto. Something that you really need to get. Put something in there because crypto will go up.
You've got these stable coins, which are designed to maintain a
Ripple,
fixed price,
Litecoin.
and those are actually making a lot more headway in terms of payments. That being said, down the line, Bitcoin, maybe it can be a better...
Litecoin. Let's see Litecoin. Litecoin is right here. Litecoin is at 170. Ooh, 180. Wow. I got 2 of them. I'm gonna get some more. You gotta keep. Then the other one was Ripple. I don't know which one that is. Let's look for it. Ripple. You see how they have not talked about a lot of coins that are already up there with Bitcoin? I don't see Ripple. They have not talked about Maker. They haven't talked about Yearn Finance. There's a lot of coins that they're not promoting, and I think the bankers are maybe putting their money in Ethereum and not Maker. So our best bet is to go for Litecoin, USD Coinbase, and I think that is the go-to Litecoin, and should take advantage of that. It's very high right now, but I think Litecoin. I think by the end of the year, Litecoin would be in the 1,000, 2,000 digits. So take advantage of that Litecoin. Get that Litecoin while it's there. I'm going to buy maybe 3 more of them.
A better system. You know, it's software. It can improve over time. It's technology. It's always progressing. And you've got people like Elon Musk and Tesla now saying that they're going to allow you to buy vehicles with Bitcoin. So they're expecting down the line that it is going to be a better payment system.
Robert, can you take us through what the major differences are between the Ethereum ecosystem and the Bitcoin ecosystem? I've had some cryptocurrency industry folks tell me that Ether and Ethereum could actually be a better way to conduct certain types of businesses and transactions. Take us through the main differences there.
That's absolutely right. So Bitcoin, it's beginning to get this sort of reputation as a reserve asset class. It's sort of where you might want to park your money and it will store your value. Now that might seem crazy because of all the wild price swings, but hey, you know, the markets are crazy themselves these days, so Bitcoin seems a lot less crazy than anything else going on. Whereas Ethereum, there is a ton of interesting activity going on right now, and it's kind of flying under the radar, even though Ethereum is hitting all-time highs recently. And what's really interesting in that universe is something called decentralized finance. You've basically got these open source coding projects that are developing all of these sorts of tools, these Lego building blocks that are basically reconstructing the plumbing of Wall Street, except without having a big bank involved. Instead, you are just putting it all on software or on the blockchain, as people say.
All right, and this is Binance. You can't buy it, you can't get it. They're selling it too. I think they're located in England or Europe somewhere. China. They're located in China. unable to buy it, can't buy it yet. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we could buy it in the future. Who knows? And Elrond is from England. We already told these are coins that you cannot get your hands on, but are skyrocketed. They were at $80 last week. They're at now $181, $200 that we've seen. This is it for now. This guy's talking about how Binance is going all the way up, and it's at a record high. I'm telling you, if you're not into Bitcoin right now, I don't know what you're doing. Why have your money in the bank when your money can grow for you while you're sleeping, while you're out there vacationing? I mean, you could basically just travel to some Asian country or South American country or Africa and live on $1 a day, and basically put a down payment for a house or something, and basically just live off of Coinbase Bitcoin. The only problem is that you cannot lose your phone, you cannot lose your information, you gotta keep everything close to you. If you lose your stuff, that's it, because everything is tracked from one phone to one phone. The best way to get your information back is by email. So make sure that in activities that you're taking part in, you don't become unconscious where you can't remember your email passwords or your email. If you got some crazy passwords, make sure you go back and change it, or find a way that you could have a good passwords that your spouse or your family members or friends cannot hack into it, because most crimes happen inside the family. It's always an inside job. And if you're dating, for a lot of men out there, be careful who you're dating, who you're letting into your home. The same with females, be careful who you're letting into your house. Always have a weapon in your home, have a gun or a knife or machete close to you, because people could hack into your computer. People could strong arm you and force you to do stuff where they're going to kill you. And nobody's going to know. People will hear you screaming, shouting. Nobody's going to come and save you or help you, because people don't really care these days. So make sure that when you're investing and doing this kind of business, that you're protecting yourself, that you know who you're letting into your house and who you're not letting into your life, because people are coming for your money. They're coming for your money. Okay, a lot of men, you know that the females are coming for your money. Okay, they're gonna tell you you're cute, you're nice, you're this and that. They got Tyrone or Ronnie in the back, waiting in the car, ready to come in and kill you. Attempt to kill you. So be careful and make sure that you protect your coins, you protect your information, you turn off your laptop, and you keep your head on the swivel. Always keep your head on the swivel. Always protect your information. Make sure you have a good password. And Bitcoin has done a lot, Coinbase have done a lot to make sure that a three-way verification system, where it goes to your phone, then it goes back to your internet, then to your email before you could access it. So you got all your information there. You got your phone, your laptop, and everything there, and you got somebody in your house, and you don't know them. Guys, you're calling over your booty call. Be careful. People are really struggling out there. Be careful who you let into your house, into your life. That's it for now with Papa Christos. Have a good day. Come back for more. Don't forget to help a brother out. for this information I'm sending to you. I know a lot of you guys are like, I know, but you know, help out 10, 20, 50, 500, hit pay, help out. Make sure you look for the samurai with the 3 I, $PAPAKRISTOS. Thanks for coming by. Go watch the video, get some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the